What's up, guys? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. It's New Year's Eve today, guys. I hope everybody has a great New Year's Eve tonight, has a safe night. Make sure to stay safe and have a great day, great night, and let's have a great 2018 together, guys, because I know that's the goal that we all have together as entrepreneurs, as people that are looking to better ourselves every single day. So, as you saw in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over two stocks that I'm looking to swing trade, two stocks that I'm watching for 2018. I'm looking at these stocks very, very closely, guys, as buys in January. So let's just go over these two stocks really quickly, and I'll let you guys go on to your days. So Grow is the number one stock here that I'm looking at. As we can see here, guys, Grow is showing a nice little support at around $3.90. What we want to see with this particular stock is have it hold above 390 and start forming an uptrend and break above this EMA line. So if we look at the 180-day analysis, which we're on right now, actually, 180-day analysis is right here, guys. We can see that the EMA line's at $4.21 and we're at $3.90. Like I said, this has proven to be a nice support for this stock Grow. And when we look at stocks, guys, we like to identify supports and we like to identify resistances so we can see margin for profit. So if we can look at this particular stock, right now the support's at roughly $3.90. And the resistance is up here at roughly $7.49. And as we can see, that offers a nice hefty profit percentage right here, guys. So Grow is the one stock that I'm looking at. Like I said, I want to see it break above this 180-day EMA line and form an uptrend for me to put my money into it. I actually want to see it get to about $4.50 to $5 before I invest into this particular stock. But long term here, like I said, when I like to invest in swing trades, I like to look at the 180-day chart. And I like to see a nice healthy stock over the long term. So as we can see here, this is a healthy stock, guys. It's going up. We see some nice patterns here, nice fluctuations, and that shows very positive signs for swing traders with fluctuations, guys. We like to buy low, sell high. That's the whole plan here with this particular stock and all the other swing trades that we like to make in profit on, guys. So Grow is the number one stock here, about 90% potential for profit. But like I said, I'm going to get in right around $4.50, and I'm looking for it to break above the EMA line, and I'm going to have alerts set for that. So that's the number one stock we're looking at today. And HIMX is another stock, the second stock that I'm looking to swing trade in 2018 in January. So like I said before, I like to see a nice healthy stock over the 180-day analysis, and as we can see here, guys, this is a nice healthy looking stock, nice uptrend over the long run here, guys. And like I said before, there's nice fluctuations here, nice ups and downs, so we can get in low, sell high. That's the goal here, guys. So this one actually already broke above the EMA line over the 180-day analysis. So this is one that I'm actually watching a little bit closer than Grow, because this one's already broken above the EMA line, already showing signs of an uptrend, as we can see in the 20-day analysis here, guys. It hit lows of about $9.72, and it's been uptrending ever since there. So my plan with this particular stock, guys, is obviously it broke above the EMA line. I want to wait till it breaks above $11 so that uptrend is confirmed. And from $11, that's probably where I'll get in if it does hold above 11 and starts that uptrend and keeps that uptrend. $11 up into previous resistances. That's roughly about 20 to 25% potential for profit. So just to go over what I do when I look for swing trades, guys, you have to identify a support, identify a resistance, identify a room for profit, and look for stocks that are healthy and growing over the 180-day analysis. Because why would you want to invest in a stock as a swing trade that's showing negative signs, that's going down over the long term, guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on two stocks that I'm looking at to buy in January of 2018, so we can start off 2018 with some money in our pockets, guys. Definitely look at these two stocks. Do your own due diligence, though. Don't just trade these based off of my opinion. You have to understand the risks involved with trading these two particular stocks, understand how much money you can lose, understand how much potential for profit that there is, so you understand how much money you can potentially make. That's very, very important when swing trading stocks, guys. So keep these two in the back of your mind. I hope you guys have a great New Year's Eve. Hope you have a safe New Year's Eve, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's ring in 2018 the right way, guys, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.